Check out this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 on the highway. The Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the GVWR, 7,000 pounds 3175 kilograms, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, transmission, 6-speed automatic, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements, skid plate package, LTZ plus package, wheels, 420 x 8.5 50.8 cm x 21.6 cm chrome-clad aluminum, audio system with navigation, AM/FM stereo with MP3 compatible CD player and navigation with voice prompts, rear view camera system and the license plate bracket, front. Call 877-542-2424 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.